Hi, my name is Smirity Kaushik, and today I will be presenting our paper on solely automated decision making (SADM). SADM refers to solely automated decision making, where algorithmic decisions are made without a human in the loop. It is widely applicable in job search, healthcare, banking loan approval, and many other areas. However, such automated decision making could lead to discrimination, social segregation, and loss of privacy. European Union's privacy regulation, GDPR, granted citizens some rights regarding SADM, which can be broadly categorized into 4 parts. 1. To not be subjected to SADM. 2. To request human intervention. 3. To obtain an explanation of the logic involved. And 4. To contest the decision and appeal. For the purpose of this paper, we have clubbed these rights together under the umbrella term SADM right. The motivation of our study is to understand people's perspectives of the SADM and the related rights. We believe it's important to gather users' perspectives because the audience of these explanations are ordinary citizens. Incorporating citizens' perspectives can make these explanations more usable and inform companies and policymakers to implement the SADM-related rights effectively. As a result, we explored 3 main research questions. 1. What are people's understandings of the SADM right? 2. What aspects of SADM do people want to know? And 3. What challenges do they anticipate in exercising the SADM right? For this presentation, I will focus on the first and the second research question. For rest of the results, please feel free to read our paper. As part of our study methodology, we conducted a large-scale online survey with 392 participants aged 18 and above. We had 192 participants from the US and 200 participants from UK. Our survey included 21 questions and a short video tutorial on SADM right. We analyzed data from survey using mixed methodology. Our results included 3 main findings. 1. People's understandings of the right. 2. Attributes of SADM decision to explain. And 3. Challenges of exercising the SADM right. I will now expand on the first 2 findings in this presentation. For the first finding, we asked our participants about their understanding of the SADM right before showing them a video tutorial. Participants shared some reasonable and some interesting misunderstandings of the right. 3 of the most interesting misunderstandings included: 1. Deny being subjected to SADM, wherein people believed that the SADM right inherently allows them to deny being profiled or subjected to SADM processing. Some respondents even anticipated that the right provided them a choice to opt out of SADM. Lastly, participants also believed that the right allows them to choose between the automated and the human decision maker options. However, these are the misunderstandings of the right because the companies can legally do SADM and profiling if the consumers agree to the service contract, and human intervention is possible only after a decision is made. Our respondents also shared their expectations of the attributes of SADM decision that they desired to be included in the explanation. The results covered 10 major themes, some of which are also suggested by the policymakers in their guidelines. However, participants shared 3 novel attributes which were not previously covered by the guidelines. These included personalized explanations that can justify how a decision is relevant to an individual and provide actionable suggestions specific to their context. Second, some participants were not interested to receive any explanation, possibly because it's not worth their time or effort. Lastly, participants were also interested to know the unique factors that were considered, that is, the criteria used in the decision making and the weights of those factors. We also provided design implications based on our findings, some of which included: 1. Icon for SADM processing, which could help people become aware of the background SADM processing. 2. Sandboxing, which could allow people to experiment with the SADM process and its outcome. And lastly, personalized explanation templates that could offer multiple levels of details and personalization. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. I'm open to questions now.